So welcome to a day in the life on the Big Rock here in Hawaii. I just got back from Salt Lake City, Utah, spending the holidays with the family. And from what I understand, it rained for about a week here, just non-stop. There's a bunch to clean up here out on the lanai. Discover the beauty of Hawaii. Book your free virtual plane ticket with Life on the Big Rock.
How big is your love? Tell me, how high is your patience? Oh, can I be saved? I wanna catch the wave.
It was beautiful being in Salt Lake. It snowed twice while I was there. The Rocky Mountains were just covered in a blanket of snow and the trees were all flocked and it was just beautiful. The beauty of a fresh snowfall on all the trees and the mountains, it's amazing there in Utah. But I love it there. I grew up there. It was great to be with the family, but it's good to be home in Hawaii where it's 80 degrees and blue skies. So I'm doing laundry and gonna get a bunch done outside here. So. Time to get some of this all moved. I gotta move the carpet out, get rid of the tables and chairs, so I can power wash all this. It'll be nice and clean when I'm done, and I know I'll be very happy that it gets finished. At some point I want to paint all this, and the best time to do that is after I power wash, so maybe we'll do a painting day here soon. But let's get her going, huh? Get this power washer all set up. Love this little froggy. I've had him for a few years, playing the banjo or ukulele. Cute little guy. So luckily the sun's shining, so this should dry out fairly quickly. Seems to be working pretty well, but it's going pretty quick. I'm happy to see it. Having a power washer is a lifesaver, getting all the dirt and dust that's just been sitting around. It's going to be real nice. I can already tell a difference, so can't beat having a power washer. That took me about 20 minutes to do that half, so this should just go quick. It all depends on how thorough you want to do it, so I want to do it thorough. I don't want to have to do it all again. Now it's time to get this screen door, or actually the screen, nice and clean. The easiest way to wash it is with the power washer, so I'm going to do as many screens as I can. So that should improve the airflow, and actually the smell that a dirty screen has is not a great smell. So overall it's going to be better air to breathe and not have musty, dirty screen smell coming through the house. One thing you got to be careful of is not to break the little wheels on the bottom. They push up into the screen so you can get it on the track. Good as new. Voila, just like that. So we get so much rain here just in one storm, or actually just in a minute of a big rainstorm, my gutters will fill up. So once the gutters fill up, it overflows right onto the railing here. And this is what happens when the water hits the railing for a long time, and with the dust and dirt, it all just gathers on top of the railing. You can see I don't have any overhang. I wish they would have built the house with just a 2-3 foot overhang. It would alleviate all this from happening, but luckily with the power washer we'll be able to take care of this. So you can see how quick and easy that was to get all that gunk off here. It looks a lot better. Of course the railing needs to be painted, but it's good to get all that muck off. We'll see a big difference up top here where that black is. It'd be nice to have a little stronger force, but when you only have like a residential power sprayer, this is what you get. It takes a little more patience, I guess, is what I'm saying. So it's a night and day difference on this. This is what I've just done. And then I stopped right there. But we'll get the rest of this looking nice. Makes a big difference. So this has been a long time coming. Looks a lot better, huh? Sure glad to get it done. See how long it takes to build up again. Now to start on the walking area. It's quite dirty and stained also. I've done the end. You can see it gets a little better, a little brighter. I just ended right here, so it'll look better. Like I said, it all needs painting, but that's down the road. And have to say, I'm not really looking forward to painting, but it'll be good to get it done. Homeowners will be very happy. So after a good power wash, here's what the walkway looks like. It's a lot better. So that's that. Day in the life, doing a little lanai cleaning. It was overdue, so I'm glad to get that done. Now to put it all back together. We'll see how that goes. Got the carpet back in. It's a little wet, caught some water, but all in all, that's what we're looking at. Nice and clean, ready for a paint job. Well, that's that all put back together. Took me the morning to get her done, and I feel real good about it. Have everything clean and not so dusty, and some screens cleaned. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Welcome to Life on the Big Rock. Enjoy weekly videos from the Big Island, Hawaii. Don't forget to subscribe and join in the adventures as we travel around and take in the sights and sounds. Enjoy the embrace of the warm, salty air and let the soothing relaxation set in. Experience the beauty of nature and what the Big Island has to offer. Adjust your attitude and enjoy virtual tours from the most remote islands in the world. And don't forget to always take care of this big blue rock we all call home.